Hi everyone, this is Janet. So I wanted to show you something that I started doing hand embroidery during COVID because my friend Roseanne Blade, she had posted this Bobax tapestry and it was fake tapestry from Germany. Because if you notice, what does it say? That's never what they ever said during Charlemagne's time. And Bobax tapestries, which I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, it is about the history of Charlemagne the Conqueror. Anyways, it's all hand embroidered. But when I saw this, I said, you know, I would love to be able to do that if I had time. Then COVID hit. Oh, look at that. I had plenty of time, so did everybody else. So I started doing hand embroidery. So now, this is what I'm working on right now. It is this new style for me. It is you do a single stitch and then you put string down and you loop it around. Facebook advertisement got me. They had posted this magnet that you could attach to it. So instead of doing what I do, which is piercing the fabric and then wrapping the thread around the needle, that can bend the needle. So what I saw on Facebook was, it was a magnet that you put onto the fabric and then the needle stays right on top. And I said, that's great. I will take what I see on Facebook and then try it to Etsy, Amazon, or Shop, because I trust them over Facebook. What I did was I went over to Etsy and I have my purchase right here, and I think you're going to like it because it is Harry Potter related and I haven't opened it yet or used it yet. Okay, this is from Snarky Crafter and you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, and also under Snacky Crafter. There we go. You ready for this? I got two because I'm going to be having two hoops working at the same time soon. What is it? Because I'm working on this for Christmas, which everything's going to be start selling in August. This is what I got. It says School of Wizardry and Stitchcraft. Isn't it cool? I like it too. I thought that was like a cool idea. And so it is, it looks like a coin and it has a magnet thing on the other side. Well, actually the magnet's right there. So if I do it this way, it's quite strong. They said to slide it across. It looks like it's a glue gun onto it. Don't really care. And we can then do this. Boom. And now I can be even cooler. Well, I know I bought two because I am going to be doing two hoops at the same time, because if you notice, yeah, that's a total of 4. Ready for this? Yeah, pretty good. Love it. On it, and the new thing is this. Found the design on Pinterest. Once I work through one, I'm going to contact the person who made it to let them know, to say, hey, your single line drawing of the castle, well worth it. So well worth it. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you that, my COVID skill, and how is it coming into pasture